Bring a coffee in the morning.
Ready to
I should have gone up all the way. They never go out. All the way, they never go out, would they?
There's no place like HomeSense for next level essentials at savvy prices. 5-star hotel worthy towels and big.
You've got no indicator. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Worst junction. You didn't even indicate.
Your essentials without breaking the bank.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. That was clear as day. We went through ready. Could have slowed down for that.
I know it's like. What?
Look!
Oh, yeah. I don't know if it's ours or not. I didn't number plates.
Oh my god. Okay, go. I reckon that's on, you know.
Don't know.
Well, there's hardly any of them in country.
No.
And it would make sense if it was sold locally.
Mm. So you've got to make sure you're using it as per your insurance.
He's going to try and jump me at lights. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
What's the point in that? There's no one behind you.
Yeah, there is. There was cars behind me.
Well,
You were 3 cars by.
No, it's fine.
I thought you were going to try and jump me at lights, didn't I? Hey.
So you've got to make sure you're using it as per your insurance.
He's going to try and jump me at lights. Okay, Garmin.